Hello guys, my name is Faruk Bera. I am gonna show you how we can use tuples in Python today. Tuples are another list to store the data. So you see the definition of tuple. I copied this definition from Geeks for Geeks website. Probably most of you know. I know it's very brief explanation, but we are gonna learn more in the code part inshallah. So the important thing here is tuples are immutable, which means you cannot change the value of a tuple after you initialized it. And you see one example of blank tuple initialization in here. Actually, that's it from slide. Now let's code a bit. A project called example, and I created a Python file like that. You can right click new, and you can create your own Python file. Let's create a tuple here. Zoom in a little bit. Yes, that's good, I think. Tuple1 equals brackets and the data A2, and we can print that tuple. As you see, I write char and integer and float. It doesn't matter for the tuple. You can any data that you want, and you can print it. Yes, as you see, 1a 1.2. You can print it like that too. You don't have to use the brackets or parentheses, whatever you say. It's gonna still make the tuple. And let's create another tuple, tuple2, this one with parentheses, and b at 1.4, and I am gonna create another tuple, but it's gonna be a different tuple. It's gonna store tuple, my tuple1 and my tuple2, and I am going to print that tuple. Let's see, I stored two tuples in a tuple, which means that I am gonna see two tuple in a tuple. Let's see. Yes, as you see, it's the first tuple that I wrote, it's the second tuple, and they're in a tuple. Let's move on. This time I want to show you how you can multiply tuple information. Tuple1 again, tuple1. Yes, that's good. FSM. Actually, we can write like that. And I'm gonna take a number from user so that we can multiply int and input please write a number. I'm going to multiply that number with my tuple. When I print that tuple, we are going to see what happens in a minute. Let's run it. Asking for a number, say 5. Like you see, it prints 5 times FSM. As you see, you can multiply tuple with any integer number, and you can extend your tuple with any data as much as you want. Now, this is the important part. I don't know if you remember that I said tuples are immutable. Now, we are going to see what immutable means really right now. Let's create a tuple again. 1, 2, 3, and I am going to try change my tuple's first element, let's say 5. When I try to do that, we are gonna get an error. But why? Because immutable means you cannot change any value in the tuple. If you want to do change in element or item, what you say in tuple, you are not gonna be able to do that. Another thing that I want to show you, printing tuples in a different way. Let's create new tuple. It should be much more longer than other tuples. Let's say stay safe, not stay safe. First, stay home. If you don't stay home, you can't stay safe. Stay safe and work hard. I am going to print that tuple 1, not tuple. We see stay home, stay safe, work hard. I can do that too. Print tuple 1 parentheses and colon. This column doesn't mean anything, but this column's right and left side means something. If you put a number in the left side of the column, you are saying that I am going to start this point and end of the tuple. Let's see that. Home, stay safe, work hard, like you see. But let's do another print. Tuple and tuple 1 colon 1, 2, not 1, 2, 3. When I do that, I mean I am gonna start from 1. That's right. I am gonna go until I saw 3. So it's not just gonna go 3 and print that 3. It's just gonna go until that 3. It's gonna print 1 and 2. Like you see, just home and stay. The other thing you can do with columns, it's very interesting and very easy to do. You can write backwards your tuple. When you put 2 columns and -1, you are gonna be able to do that. Did you see that? Hard work safe, stay home, stay. Yes, that was good. Now we are gonna learn how to delete a tuple. Again, I am creating a tuple and say coronavirus. I want to delete it. Let's delete tuple. It's very easy. Just use the del function, and in the del function you can put your tuple. After that, I am gonna try to print that tuple, but I am not gonna be able to do that. Let's see. Yes, it gives an error. What does it say? Tuple 1 is not defined. When you delete it, when you delete tuple, it is not just gonna delete the data in it. It's gonna delete whole tuple. So you are not gonna be able to see or anything in tuple. The other thing I wanna show you using loop with tuples. We can learn the length of the tuple. Let's do that. This time I'm gonna make it different. Breakfast, egg, olive, bread, and milk. Let's say it's a good breakfast. And I am going to print the length of the tuple. Breakfast. That's right. And I am going to print it. Let's run it. It's 4. Okay. But we don't have to use the length function to loop in 4. We can do like that. Food in breakfast. It means the same thing. Food. food doesn't mean anything actually. You can put an X, you can put an X, Y, or anything else you want, but food is suitable for our example, so I put food. We are gonna print food and we are gonna see that egg, olive bread, milk. Nice. Now I want to learn the food's indexes. How am I going to be able to do that? I am going to do tuples index food, and now we are going to see the beautiful list. Come on, it froze. Okay, nice. 0 egg, 1 olive, 2 bread, 3 milk. That's just how I want it. Let's move on. The last thing I want to show you about tuples, using maximum and minimum functions in tuples, with tuples of course, and making tuple a list. Let's do that first. I am going to make a list. 1, 2, 3. After that, I am going to print like a tuple. Because of that, I wasn't writing tuple, I was writing tuple 1 as an example. Tuple is a function, it can be used like that. Let's run it. We are gonna see 1, 2, 3 as a tuple. Let's make it tuple 1. Tuple you can use like that too. Okay, my tuple 1, I am going to the max function in my tuple 1. We are gonna see 3 of course. Yes, nice. And I am going to min function with tuple 1. We are gonna see 1. Nice. Let's say that our list has 1.2 float number, and oh, that was wrong, sorry. 4.2, that you can see 4.2 is our maximum value. You can compare float value and integer value, so there is no problem about that. But if you wanna do the char value and a float value and an integer value, doesn't matter. If you want to compare them, it gives an error because it is not able to compare them. Yes, for example, greater not supported between instances of string and float. Because of that, we can just write char. Maybe we are gonna be able to compare them. Let's see. A, B, C, D. When I try to run that, it gives an D as a max, it gives an A as a min. That means it decides alphabetical order and gives the result to you. Thank you for watching me, guys. If you have any question, please comment in below. Have a nice day and healthy day. May Allah bless you. See you later.